Hello, in today's video, I'm sharing some beauty products with you that made a pretty big difference for me pretty quickly, and they're easy to use. About half are related to makeup and the others are related to skincare. So we can go ahead and get into these products. So the first two are facial skincare products that are good for any skin type. Now I have really sensitive skin and I have rosacea, so I'm pretty particular about my skincare that goes on my face, and I have used a lot of products from the brand Love over the past couple of years. They just work really great for my skin type. A lot of you use them too. This portion of the video is in partnership with Love to let you guys know that they're having a couple of really great holiday specials that are running through the end of the year. You can either receive 10% off of 2 items with the code 10, or you can receive 20% off of 3 or more items with an automatic discount that's applied when you check out. So you can create your own bundles to give to yourself or to someone else. So sometimes I feel like I'm a broken record with probably less than a handful of facial exfoliators. I swear by rotating these 2 to 3 times a week for just keeping my skin really refined and smooth and bright and glowy. And this is one of the ones that I just have on repeat, and I kind of feel like I'm a broken record about. This is Love the Exfoliator. This is a BHA exfoliator that has pulverized clay and niacinamide and some other ingredients in it that does a great job of getting rid of those dead skin cells, which is hugely important to do on a regular basis, especially as we get older, because our skin just doesn't do that naturally anymore as regularly and as well as it used to. So without us doing it, our skin can look dull and tired and, kind of thick and just not healthy and glowy. But some of those scrubs can be really harsh and dry our skin out. And this one is, again, effective yet gentle. It makes the skin glowy and it doesn't dry it out. Plus, when you use products like this, it can allow your other skincare to penetrate more deeply because it just opens up the pores nicely and just prepares the skin. So I just really love this product. I use it regularly. I talk about it a lot for a reason. I've talked about niacinamide here on my channel quite a bit and how I love using it to help diminish the look of pores and help reduce breakouts and spots and things like that. And Love has one of the formulations that I love to use and rotate regularly. It's called the Nia 10 Calming Serum. The texture of this is nice and light and watery. It sinks right into the skin. And this one in particular is really great for sensitive rosacea, acne-prone skin because it's not just niacinamide. It's also got zinc and other soothing ingredients as well as antioxidants to help protect the skin from environmental stressors. So it not only helps diminish the look of pores and refine the texture, but it can help calm and soothe the skin as well. I just really enjoy using this in the morning, at night, or both. And this product is not a product that you have to wait weeks on end to see a result from. I mean, you see it pretty quickly once you start using it. All right, let's move to a makeup product. And this is a brush that I don't think I've talked about before on my channel, and I have no idea why, because this is an eyeliner brush that I've been using probably more than any other. This is the Sonia G Smudger 1 brush. Now, when you look at it online, and all of these products are linked in the description box down below. If you're on mobile, just hit the title below the video and you'll get the description drop down. If you are on desktop, you'll see the title and then a little summary paragraph and show more. Just click that and then you'll get the description. Everything is listed down there along with what I'm wearing. It will look different now because she did change some things, but the concept is still the same. It still functions in the same way. I love lining with powder eyeshadow, with stick eyeshadow, and even when I line with pencil eyeliner, I like to smudge it out with a brush. This is the one that I use the most frequently for all of those things. I can smudge it in at the root of the lash line, almost tight line, but not really take the time to tight line. And then I can get that smudged out look that's so much more flattering as we get older. I can wing it out if I want. I can just, do a very fine smudge. It's very versatile, it's very easy, and it's very fast to use. This has just made a huge difference in the ease and the speed of me doing my eyeliner. Before, I was having to take a dense brush, like a flat eyeliner brush or an angled brush, to get close to the root to get, you know, more density, and then to smudge it out, I was having to use a pencil eyeliner brush or, you know, something of that sort. And this kind of does everything at once, and it's elongated, so it just does it very, very fast. So this has been a huge game changer for me. I know there are a lot of people out there that have very dry body skin. Sometimes it's, you know, dry and flaky. Sometimes it can be dusty. You know what I'm talking about if you just get dry in the winter time or just any time of year. So I had used a lotion that had done me really, really wrong. So much so that I thought it was almost an allergy of some sort to something in the product. Some of you may remember in one of my monthly fails how this product was just really, really bad for me. I'll talk to you about what I did to repair that in a second. So this is what I have switched to as far as a body lotion to maintain the healed moisture barrier of my skin. And I've been loving it so much. It's made a huge difference in just maintaining my skin's moisture barrier. That's what this brand is all about. This is the Skin Fix Resurface AHA Renewing Cream. It says it's clinically proven to smooth, dry, rough, bumpy skin and keratosis pilaris. It's got a 5% natural AHA blend and a 1% lime extract blend. And I know some of you have used this too, as well as some of their other products, and you've really loved it as well. I am using some of their other things too, but this is the one I wanted to put in the video because I had such a traumatic experience. You know, it's kind of a wonder that I don't have any dry areas on my skin right now, especially this time of year. Also 94% naturally derived. It's got not only the AHA blend and the lime extract, and all of that helps smooth the skin and exfoliate the dead skin cells, but it's also got shea butter, oils of coconut, and jojoba that help restore firmness, moisturize, condition, and soften the skin. And this brand is all about maintaining or repairing the skin's barrier function. And I do feel like this is helping maintain the barrier function of my body skin, and it's doing it in such a beautiful way. So that said, I do want to say that the first product that I used to help initially heal my skin was not a lotion. It was actually a toner that I was wiping all over my body because it's what I had on hand. And that is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. You know, I have rosacea, and sometimes glycolic acids that are higher in strength can be a little bit harsh for my facial skin, but I kept this on hand. And when I spoke with my friend Gemma from Pampered Wolf, and I was just like, you know, what can I do? My, you know, body skin is just dry and dusty and peeling after using this body lotion. She was asking if I had anything on hand that had glycolic or lactic acid, kind of a higher strength to use just once or twice a week. And I remember that I had it. I used this in just a regular lotion, my Kiehl's Cream Decor, and that repaired my skin initially. And then I had this, which is a lotion and a lot easier to use than rubbing, you know, a toner all over my body and then topping it with a lotion. So I wanted to share these two products because, you know, if you want to save some money and go with the toner, hey, there's that option. If you want to go with the lotion that's everything in one and nourish the skin and exfoliate all in one, you have that option too. This one only use once or twice a week. This one you can use every day or every other day, however you want to use it. I know I've talked about this next product a few times, but it just fit perfectly into this video. It is a difference maker. It is a game-changing makeup product. We are wearing masks now, and if you have makeup on and you want to keep it on, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray does it in such a way to where it just fuses my makeup together so beautifully. It just makes everything look melded together, but it also sets my makeup to where it's completely bulletproof and it doesn't change the finish of my makeup. As someone with oily combination skin, sometimes setting sprays will demattify my makeup. And I don't like that. And a lot of the times mattifying setting sprays have alcohol in them. And this one doesn't. It's kind of magical. I love it. It's worth the money. I went from a travel size to the full size and I am super happy about it. So yeah, this is a good one. It's been a game changer, especially right now. So I had to put it in this video for sure. This next product is going to seem like a skincare product, but I'm relating it to makeup because I use it as a makeup prep step. It lives at my makeup table right now because it's really come in handy for days when my under eye area has been a little bit dry, or just maybe my concealer or my corrector isn't sitting right, or I've let my eye cream sink in a little bit too long. Maybe I got distracted before I applied my makeup and I'm just feeling dry under my eye area. I haven't heard anybody talk about this product either, but I have been loving it. This is the Kapari Starry Eye Balm. So I did a video a while back on dry under eyes, textured under eyes, how to remedy that so that your makeup sits a little better. I'll link that video. But within that, I talked about just dabbing a tiny bit of oil underneath your eyes, coconut oil, jojoba oil, just to kind of help remedy some of the dryness and, just helps your makeup apply a little bit better. This is doing that. You literally just dab your ring finger very, very lightly, hardly get any product, and you dab it underneath the eye. You can apply it underneath makeup before you go in with your corrector or concealer. If you find that they're applying a little bit textured looking or dry, you can dab it over your corrector or concealer. It says it has light refracting minerals that immediately brighten tired eyes. Hyaluronic acid helps smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It delivers a shot of caffeine to help reduce puffiness and improve circulation and help eye bags. And it primes the under eye area for seamless makeup application. And of course, all Kapari products have coconut oil in them, and this just fits that concept perfectly. And it's not messy, it's solid form. I know a lot of us get kind of dry under the eyes and in the corners this time of year especially, and it's very, very soothing and can help hide a lot of sins. I love this. It's a difference maker, it's a game changer, and I think you guys would love this too. I just did a video on my top drawer makeup products, the products that I keep right here on my vanity so that I can get ready quickly and easily. I will link that video here if you missed that one. And I'd love to hear the products that you have found lately that have been kind of instant game changers for you, that have just made a difference, that you've been loving. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.